In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a video from the Meta AI app using screen recording and cropping. The process is simple, but it does require a little attention to detail if you want the cleanest result possible. Since this method uses your device's built-in screen recorder instead of exporting the original file, the final quality may be slightly lower than the source video. Still, if your goal is to keep a usable copy on your device, this approach works well. First, open the Meta AI app and find the video you want to save. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct video before moving on, especially if you have multiple versions or drafts. Once you're ready, open the video and switch it to full screen mode. This is important because full screen playback gives you the largest viewing area and helps reduce distracting interface elements in the final recording. With the video in full screen, start your device's screen recorder. Before you begin recording, it can help to make sure your brightness is comfortable and that notifications are silenced so nothing unexpected appears on screen during playback. Then let the video play all the way through while the screen recorder captures it. When the video finishes, stop the screen recording. Next, open the recorded file in your device's video editor. Most phones include a basic built-in editor, and that's usually enough for this part. What you want to do here is use the crop tool to trim away anything around the edges that doesn't belong in the final video, such as watermarks, playback controls, app buttons, or any visible interface elements left over from the screen recording. As you crop, be careful not to cut into the main subject of the video. The goal is to clean up the frame while keeping the content centered and easy to watch. Once you've made your adjustments, preview the cropped video. This preview step is important because it lets you confirm that the framing still looks right and that nothing important has been removed. If everything looks good, save the edited version to your device. After saving, open your Photos app or gallery and verify that the final video was stored successfully. It's always a good idea to check that it plays properly from start to finish before you consider the process complete. Just remember, because this method relies on screen recording and editing, the finished video may not look quite as sharp as the original exported file. Even so, if done carefully, you can still get a clean and practical saved copy.